Finding the best affordable stand mixer can feel confusing when every model promises the same thing. The truth is, the best affordable stand mixer is the one that handles daily doughs, cookies, and cakes without draining your budget. From my own baking at home, especially with family-size batches common in US kitchens, I've learned that steady power and simple controls matter more than fancy extras. I test these tools the way a home baker would, so you get advice you can trust. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. POWWA Electric Stand Mixer. The POWWA Electric Stand Mixer surprised me in a good way. The large 6.5 quart bowl feels perfect for family baking. I mixed bread dough and cookie batter without stopping. The 10-speed control gives smooth results, from slow folds to fast whips. I like the tilt head design. It makes adding flour easy. The splash guard helps keep my counter clean. Cleanup feels simple since the tools go in the dishwasher. The mixer looks modern and neat on the counter. It fits well in small kitchens. Power is solid for daily baking. Very stiff dough can slow it down a bit. Still, for the price, it feels reliable. It works well for cakes, cookies, and weekend bread. Number 4. HOWORK Electric Stand Mixer. I feel the HOWORK Electric Stand Mixer strong right out of the box. The large 6.5 quart bowl is great for big cookie batches or bread dough. I like not stopping to remix. The 10+ speed control gives steady mixing for soft cream and thick dough. The tilt head helps with quick swaps. The splash guard keeps counters clean. It stays steady on the counter. The motor feels confident, not loud. For daily home baking, it handles most tasks well. It is a bit heavier, so moving it takes effort. Still, the value feels solid for the price. Number 3. Dash Stand Mixer. I like how easy this Dash stand mixer feels from the first use. The ultra-light build makes it simple to move, even in a small kitchen. It fits under most cabinets, which is great for apartments. The tilt head design helps when adding flour or removing the bowl. I use it often for frosting, dressings, and soft doughs. The 6 speeds give good control. Mixing feels smooth and even. For meringues and batters, it does the job well. The 3-quart bowl is best for small recipes. It may struggle with heavy bread dough, but for daily baking, it feels reliable. Cleanup is fast since the parts are dishwasher safe. If you want the cheapest stand mixer that still works well, this one makes sense. Number 2. Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer. I like how light this kitchen in the box stand mixer feels the moment I lift it. The ultra-compact size is perfect for small US kitchens and apartments. It fits easily in a cabinet. The tilt head access helps when adding flour or removing the bowl. I use it for quick cookies and weeknight cakes. The 3.2 quart bowl is best for small batches. It is not made for heavy bread dough, but for daily baking, it feels steady and easy. The suction feet help a lot. If you want the cheapest stand mixer that still works well, this one makes sense. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer. I use this Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer a lot for everyday baking. The stand plus hand combo is the real win here. I mix dough in the stand, then detach the hand mixer for quick batters. It saves counter space and feels practical. The quick burst power helps when cookie dough gets thick. I reach for it often during holidays. The 4-quart bowl works well for family recipes in the US. Cleanup is easy since the bowl and tools are dishwasher safe. It is not built for heavy bread all day, but for cakes, cookies, and frosting, it feels reliable. For value seekers, this even feels like the best budget sound mixer in its class. Final verdict. Personally, I recommend the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer as the best overall pick. It feels practical and reliable. I like how it works as both a stand mixer and a hand mixer. That flexibility is perfect for everyday baking, quick mixes, and small kitchens. The power is steady and the results feel consistent, even with thicker doughs. For a more specific need, the kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer is a great budget-friendly option. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to store. I find it ideal for apartments, beginners, or anyone baking in small batches without needing extra power. Check the description link for current prices and more details. Pick the stand mixer that fits your style and needs best.